Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting SVG file to GIF files. You can see on my computer I have a couple SVG files and I will be converting them to GIF with converter. I will download and install from this website. I will leave a link on this site into description. To find app, I'll click on search and type SVG and then click on page, click on SVG to GIF, and then click on download button to download converter and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I'll be recording more videos on SVG files and converters, so if you'd like to see more videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, this application can be used after installation. This application can be used from command line. So I can schedule like conversion if I have to schedule, or like if I have to convert all the files, I can do that. You can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on download archive, double click on my site to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 I have to select SVG files I want to convert. So I'll click to select input files. I know they're in my pictures, so I click on pictures and I want to convert virtual reality, click open, and then maybe user flow, click open, and another user flow, click open. Yeah, and I can select all folders. If I hit Ctrl A, I can select all files into this folder and add all of them. Or I can hold Shift and select 2 files in a row, or I can hold like this. If I hold Shift, I'll select like all these files. If I hold Control, I can select separate files I would like to add. So, or I can just do like I did, select one file one by one. It's fine. Click on next step. There are no conversion options here yet. Click on next step and click on final step. I click run to start conversion. It's asking me for a location where a result file will be placed. Let's place them in the same picture folders. I'll just click OK. And you can see files has been converted. Let's go and see files. So if I click on my pictures, you can see newly files created. I have a GIF files. I have a user flow, and virtual reality file converted as well. So yeah, basically that's it. We converted our files, SVG files, to GIF. If you like this, if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.